Vice President Constantino Chiwenga warned corrupt business people and phantom entrepreneurs for undermining the country's economic integrity, saying their days are numbered. Sarabuna mashoko arikuonekwa kunzi vipi Constantino Chiwenga havasi kuchinja mashoko awo panoonekwa kunzi pese paunowana mukana auya pangwa ina achidismissa these corrupt individuals. Don't subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Timina munomobuda nyuka mchinzi. This is the second time that Chiwenga has warned those involved in malpractices as he turned the heat on graft. Chiwenga questioned the source of riches of tenderpreneurs, a derogatory term referring to corrupt ZANU-PF-connected business persons who are also known as Zvigananda. In April, Chiwenga warned that the country's independence was not meant to benefit the connected elite. In January, Chiwenga also fired a salvo at showy tenderpreneurs, whom he termed Zvigananda. He also reprimanded individuals of questionable morals who are growing big bellies and splashing ill-gotten wealth. Chiwenga said there was a need to shun corruption. Let us not mortgage our nation's future to fleeting gain, he said. Equally imperative to this shared national and developmental vision is our collective stance on integrity and accountability. As we deepen public-private partnerships and catalyze economic growth, we must decisively shun corruption in all its forms. There can be no room for rent-seeking behavior or romantic practices in a modern competitive economy. He called on businesses to uphold ethics, transparency, and corporate governance. These values are not optional. They are essential to investor confidence, institutional trust, and long-term national prosperity, he said. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino yatikona kuti vipi Constantino Chiwenga aiwa havasi kuchinja mashoko avo vari ngori focused nenhau yekudismissa corruption munyika panguva ino nekustopa Zvigananda totally. Ine comment section yedu mbotidza mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.